Welcome to another edition of Top Beer Express Christmas Advent Specials. Today we're on day 4. If I can find day 4, it'd be a help, wouldn't it? There we are, day 4. So it's going really well. Really pleased with this calendar. So let's go to day 4. I can get the door open. Here we are. Oops, there's it. This is live TV for you. I'll have to stick that back later, number 6. Get in there. Right, so here we are, day 4. Blank cap this time, so I don't know what it is before I put it out. I'll repair that later for upload Peter. Okay, so tonight we've got a Christmas one. St. Nick's Blizzard Brew Ruby Ale. Now for a Ruby Ale, it's got a lower ABV. It's got 3.9% ABV. A bit of a smaller bottle, 275ml, but still not too shabby. So it's going to show the camera that. It's a nice bottle. So Ruby Ale. So let's just see what I expect to get from this one. There's a camera endorsed ale as well. Camera says this is real ale, it says on the glass. A ruby malty ale with a distinctive nutty roasted aroma, generous melts of galena and Golding's hops with a wonderful floral nose. So let's dive in and see what we get. So, okay. Oh yeah, really floral coming through. Let's pour it into the glass. Okay. Oh, nice. Are we heading it? Yes. Yeah, definitely a ruby colour there. Yeah, really nice bit of nectar. Oh, yes. Really getting that coming through. Really getting the aroma coming through. And just I've got something else. I'm just trying to work out what it is, but I don't know if it's like the almonds or. Yeah, really nice. Really got the like an almond nutty sort of taste to it. Very easy to go down. Now I know it says a lot about St. Nick's Brewery, but it says produced by Mr. Whitehead's Drinks in Alton, Hampshire. So it's not a brewery I'm familiar with, but it's a nice little ruby ale for Christmas. Not blowing me away, to be honest with you. I think honesty is very good for this this channel. You know, being pretty frank about beers. But not blowing me away. Not one of my favourite ones so far, but a nice, easy drinking beer. And I would say, just give it another taste before I give it a mark. I think the most I'm going to give this one is a 7 out of 10. So it is a nice beer, just doesn't blow me away. Let's say we'll see what we get tomorrow. So tune in tomorrow for another beer, and Merry Christmas. Cheers.